Hello to all my viewers. Today we are going to discuss how to create the stacked bar chart in Tableau. In Tableau, these are the variables which are known as dimensions, and these are the variables which are considered to be the measures. Basically, the variables which are known as dimensions are the categorical variables, and these are the continuous variable. To have the bar chart, I'll pick up one categorical variable from here and one measure from here. So, category and sales. If you want to do the multiple selections of the variable, make sure that you press the Control tab on your keyboard. Drag it and drop it on your canvas. Now click on Show Me, activate the bar chart, and you will get a single bar. I can also include one more categorical variable. I'll pick up the region from here and drop it in the columns. You can see here that we are having central, sales, east, south, west. Now, what does this color represent? Click on Show Me and you will be able to see that the blue color represents the furniture, orange, office supplies, red, technology. Now, if you want to increase the size of the bar, click on Entire View and you can see. Now, I can include one more dimension here. So, I'll pick up the segment from here and drop near the sales. So, I'll get three different bar charts. You can see for consumer, corporate, and home office. In case of Tableau, your charts will differ where you drop the categorical variable. Now I'll pick up the segment from here, and if I drop it here, I'll get a different bar chart. So here, this is central and its segment, consumer, corporate, and home office. And in that, what is the category which we are having? Now I'll again pick up the segment from here and drop it before the region, and you will get a different graph. Now if I want to represent the sales and profit on this bar chart, let us pick up sales from here and drop it in the label. You can see the sales are represented on the bar chart with the numbers. I can also pick up one profit from here and drop it in the label. Now if I want to change the orientation of this, I'll click on the label, I'll click on automatic, and I'll change the orientation of this text, make it up. Now, if I pick up one more dimension, say for example, segment, and drop it here near to sales, you can see I'll get three different bar charts. Now, instead of segment, let us pick up the shipping mode and drop it here. I'll get the 9 bar charts. First class shipping mode, consumer, and the details. So if I'm having a dimension, I can drop it here or here. Either of it will serve the purpose. Now let us proceed further. If I want to include one measure, say for example, quantity, I can drop the quantity here, and we will have two different bar charts according to the sales and quantity. So I can drop it here also, or I can drop it in the size. So this is a way you can have a different stacked bar chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. You can see my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please don't forget to press the like button.